At a school in the southern Philippines, a magnitude 7.8 earthquake caused corrugated metal roofs to buckle and twist like crumpled skirts. Teachers and students rushed to safety, narrowly avoiding a serious stampede.
Nung araw ng Lunes, unang araw ng pasukan, nagkaroon tayo ng lindol yung 7.8 magnitude. Sa oras na yon ay lahat ng mga bata ay nasa flag ceremony.
Returning with Sigi volunteers, the campus looked bombed. Classrooms were declared unsafe. In the province's hardest-hit villages, residents were struggling to survive.
Doon kami po natutulog sa lupa. Wala pa kasing mga tent doon, wala pang ayuda. Grabe. Sa amin lang po, sana po mabigyan niyo kami ng pagkain, tubig, saka mga pagkain po. Yun po ang pinaka-importante po sa amin ngayon.
We have 7 confirmed dead. We have 12 missing but presumed dead kasi nalibing sa lupa. And we have 40 injured individuals.
Roads linking nearby towns were torn apart, and with aftershocks approaching magnitude 6, many residents were too afraid to return home.
Ang urgent need po talaga namin are tents or trapal. Kasi po wala na po, doon sa affected area po talaga, ayaw na nilang bumalik sa mga bahay nila dahil madalas pa rin ang mga aftershocks natin, no? May mga
As soon as Sigi's team arrived in Glan, Sarangani province, children rushed over. Their smiles stood in stark contrast to the devastation.
那志工的一个建议食品这方面也很需要一个帮忙，说大民这些日常物品这边还是很需要。
Sigi's assessment teams pressed deeper into the disaster zone, racing to prepare for a large-scale relief distribution. Some survivors could not wait much longer. ITV reports.